Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted channel for honest reviews and deep dives into top-rated products. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best enzymatic dog toothpaste in chicken flavor on the market right now. The Petsmile Professional Pet Teeth Brushing Kit for Cats and Dogs. Let's start with why this product stands out immediately. It's the only pet toothpaste that's accepted by the Veterinary Oral Health Council, the VOHC. That's a big deal. VOHC doesn't hand out their seal of approval easily. They evaluate products for their ability to control plaque and tartar. Which means this kit isn't just a fancy add-on for your grooming routine. It's clinically backed and proven to help your pet's dental health. The toothpaste itself uses something called Calprox. This is Petsmile's proprietary formula. It's not just there to freshen breath. It actively works to break down plaque and tartar. What it does is dissolve the protein pellicle on your pet's teeth. That's the layer where bacteria, plaque, and stains like to hang out. Once that layer is gone, not only do your pet's teeth look whiter, but their gums stay healthier, and yes, their breath gets a whole lot better too. Now let's talk flavor. Rotisserie chicken. This is one of the most pet-approved flavors out there. You know how some pets just absolutely refuse to let you near their mouths? Petsmile seems to have cracked that issue. The chicken flavor makes brushing time feel more like treat time. It's available in a few other flavors too, like London broil and say cheese, but the chicken one is definitely the star, especially if you're just starting out. Another standout component is the toothbrush. This isn't just a regular dog toothbrush. It's a dual-ended, patented brush designed with a 45-degree angle. That angle isn't random. It's made specifically to reach below the gum line, where a lot of dangerous bacteria hides out. That's where gum disease starts. With this angled brush, you can get deeper cleanings with much less effort. Now here's something pet parents will love. The toothpaste is made with human-grade ingredients. That means no fluoride, no artificial colors, and no harsh chemicals. It's gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and even BPA-free. It's safe enough that your dog or cat doesn't need to rinse. They can eat or drink immediately after brushing, and there's no harm done. Let's also mention how clean the formulation is. It's hypoallergenic and made in the USA with top-tier quality controls. That's something veterinary dentists really appreciate, and it's a big reason why this product is trusted by professionals. So if you're someone who has been skipping dental care because your pet resists brushing or you didn't think toothpaste mattered, this is the kit that could change that. You get everything you need in one pack: the toothpaste and the toothbrush. And it's designed to make dental care easy, safe, and genuinely effective. Petsmile isn't just a grooming product, it's a health product. Oral hygiene in pets is often overlooked, but it can have serious consequences for heart, liver, and kidney health. So taking a few minutes a day with this kit can add years to your pet's life and comfort. If you want to check it out, we've linked the product in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and give your pets a kissable smile with Petsmile.